immediately, immediately after that, I got one prenatal student. She was in her eighth month. Actually, I got scared a bit because immediate first ever student, that too in a eighth month. But then I read Nutan ma'am's book. I gone through all the material, and I started with her, my student, from 8 to 9 months, and the 1 month, and she got delivered very nicely. She got, normal delivery, and the blessings which I got from her is divine. So I think I should give this credit to you, Nutan ma'am. I'm really here to give that credit to you. Because of you, because of this insights, I really could help that student very nicely, and I'm very much thankful for that. So if you give me a mic, I will go and on and on and on. So I think I should stop here, and you will get to know her as you progress. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Aditi, and nice to share your experience. I was not knowing about this. So
Because
good.
actually I wanted to give you a surprise.
Okay, that's great. That's great. Okay. So thanks, Aditi. Now we'll begin with the course and how you're going to go ahead. I'm sharing my slides. My slide. Just help me if it is visible on. Is it visible?
Yes.
Full screen.
Yes.
Okay. So again, welcome back to this prenatal, postnatal yoga and Garbha Sanskar, the science of creation and cultivation of life in the womb. That is how I would like to start every time, every class. This boosts my energy and my students as well. We have already done our prayer, and hopefully this divine power will help us along with our network Wi-Fi network, whatever network you and me have, it will not disturb us in any classes. So introduction first, Aditi has already introduced herself. So I would like to know about you. Although you have means the form is there, and I read your informations and background, but you can share here because your colleagues who are here, they also want to know from where you are, what is your name, why you have joined this course. And for my information, I would like to understand your, do you have that Ayurveda basic understanding? Because a lot of in my content of this particular syllabus and course, I have a lot of Ayurveda concept in this. So I just wanted to understand कि student को पता है कि नहीं, तो उसके accordingly then I'll just go on explaining few things if needed. Okay. And Sanskrit, do you have that Sanskrit background or not? So I will give you one by one opportunity to talk and say about yourself and what is your purpose to join this particular course, and you should note it down that purpose in your notebook for on first day, and on last day you should just visit and see that has it fulfilled. Okay. So that is important. Then I will start again, restart this slides, how you can learn effectively and how we are going ahead. Okay. So let me just invite, I think Sneha is in, who has enrolled first in this course. So Sneha, are you there? If she is not ready, we will start with Poonamji as well because she is senior most in our group. So let's give opportunity and we'll start with the Poonamji.
Okay, thank you, Nitanji. So, and I've stopped dyeing my hair, so it's very obvious that I'm the senior most. Thank you. So, my name is Poonam Agarwal, and I'm 56 years old now. Uh, I was born in India, but I've been away from India now for 20 in Africa, and my children are in Canada. I keep visiting India, but from last 3 years, okay, because of COVID also, and I lost my mother-in-law, my mom, and father-in-law, everyone in 2019. So it's been hard now to come to India. My visits are very few now. So I'm an electrical engineer by profession, but when I moved to Canada with my kids, uh, I did my, I took another profession. I did my Montessori training for 1 year, and I was a Montessori teacher. And it's very different Montessori. It is not the same what we think about Montessori in India. So that is my background, and I've been doing yoga from when I was in grade 10th. So I started doing yoga. I took up proper training for 2 months. Like my base is Baroda in India. That's Gujarat. So I had taken a proper training in yoga, and I've been doing yoga myself from then. And but last year, because of COVID, and we came to know, okay, on Zoom there are classes going on. So I took TTC course from the Yoga Institute last year, and from then my journey is beautiful. I've been taking, mudra classes, workshops. I've been doing special courses in the respiratory ailments from different institutes, and I've been able to guide people. I'm doing all this voluntary. I'm not. It's not commercial anyway. So friends, family, whoever is in wants, I'm giving classes to them. So this is a course for myself. Now my daughter is planning. My daughter is married, and she's planning to, you know, to increase their family. And I said, as I was telling you, I was writing. I just came yesterday. I've returned back yesterday from Canada, and I was with them, and very much want them to guide properly. Okay, I'm in this phase of my life where I have my menopause also now. So, but I want to understand each and everything so I can guide them properly. Now I don't have my mom, I don't have my in-laws. I'm now the senior most, so it scares me. So this was where Petra, Petra, your student in the last class, and she forwarded this whole in our group, and I was, oh, this is what the God wants me to do now. So that's why I'm here. So thank you for
Wonderful, Poonamji.
yes.
Although you are senior most, but you have full of energy, I can say. We can feel your energy. And
Thank you.
don't scare, there are a lot of things which even when we will study about menopause class, that time you will understand that this class is also for you. It's not only your means, although I know you are joining just for your daughter because you want to help her and everything, but even this class is only for even for your own evolution in different level. You have reached that spiritual level right now. That's why we can sense that there is no commercial charges and all that. You are doing free classes. Good thing. Welcome,
Thank
Poonamji. Thank you. Okay, let's move ahead. Who is ready to introduce now after Poonamji? Pallavi?
Hello, can you hear me?
Namaskar. Yes, yes.
Yeah. Hi, this is Pallavi Deshpande. I reside in Thane, Bombay. I am an MBA HR. I'm an ex-banker, and I have two kids. One who is 14 years, and the other is 8 years. One son and one daughter. I left my banking career when I had a second child. So since I was very active, I could not sit in the house. So I thought, since I have a second child, why not go into an educational sector which will be beneficial for my daughter, son also. So I started off with teaching in playgroup, nursery, and later on I pursued my certification in phonics. And for last 5 years now, I'm a parenting coach. uh, so I guide parents. Especially what happens is, we are mostly having child psychologists or counselors, but there is a need for parents to be coached, because they are going to bring up the kids So this bridge, which was needed to counsel them, to make them understand. If parents say my kid is very naughty, but why he is naughty, they should understand that parenting is basically about our own self, and then we have to raise our own self before raising the child. So I am into this sector for last 5 years, and I had lot of friends. I have done garbha sanskar for my own child when he was I was pregnant for my first child. So that time I was introduced to this concept. It was like I read some books. There were some sessions. I used to stay in Dadar. So Dadar was a hub of all the things you will get. So I have done when he was born in 2006. And when I got to know that this is after pandemic, people started realizing the need for personal care, where we were started thinking about ourselves. So that time, many of my friends told me that we need some assistance or some guidance regarding this. And one of my friend who is an Ayurvedic doctor, Dr. Varsha Shirur, she is in Kalina. She told me that Dr. Nutan is best and the right person where you can get the right knowledge. So because there are a lot of things now in the market, but to gain the right knowledge from the right person is very important. So because of which then I got to search your site and everything, and I'm very happy that I'm being associated. I'm looking forward for enhancing my knowledge and benefiting from your experience.
Thank you, Pallavi ji.
Thank
I
you.
think even this is another thing, your first parenting coach. Okay. I just did my one Chaturmas program where I have kept one workshop, free workshop. It was free workshop where I invited, people like Dr. Radha Krishna Pillai and, certain parent coach. So that's why when you called me and asked, "Ki, is it useful for me?" So I said, of course it is useful because you people directly come in contact with the parents,
Parents.
and then you listen so many complaints. Okay, how to deal with the child and how the things are going on. So much stress in between the you know parent and their son, daughter. So many things are there. So we must know that the root cause, and that finding
Cause.
that root cause is actually this garbha sanskar,
Yes.
because when parents realize, when you make them realize that okay, what you did when they are pregnant, just remember that, and then don't blame your child because they are
Child.
innocent, first you need to realize, you need to correct yourself. Not even if you have forgotten now, just now at least you start beginning
Start.
to change so that your child will change. So that's why I said okay, please join. And I thanks Dr. Varsha also for reference.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, we'll go to the next. Who wants to share? Now, just raise your hand or just unmute and start. Yes, what's
Yeah. So am I audible now? Yeah. So I was born and raised in Mumbai. So quite a Mumbaiker. I'm a Rajasthani by origin. So actually, I'm a certified yoga instructor before, and I've been teaching since 2016. So actually, my journey to yoga is quite a challenging one for me, and I'm very thankful to God and even thankful to my parents who even supported me for letting me to do yoga. Actually, my yoga journey started when I completed my graduation in 2015, and after that, I was quite confused about which field to choose, and I was so confused that I was having some uh, negative thoughts that so what if I go into depression, because I was just thinking and thinking about career path, because that was a starting point in my life to go to which career, to go to which field. I was having interest in each and every field. At one point of time, I wanted to become a makeup hairstylist. At one point, I wanted to become a CS graduate or a CA graduate, and my father is also a CA. So it was kind of pressure to me in Marwari household to choose a profession. So At that time, my sister advised me to join a yoga class. So I joined this month and I felt so peaceful. I was so peaceful that after that I started inquiring about how to get the training, how to do the CBC course. And at that time I did my first normal CBC course. But in 2019, I completed my proper training with the Yoga Institute. And from the Yoga Institute is so amazing. It gives you so much knowledge if you want to pursue your yoga teaching. And after that, I was quite fascinated to teach pregnant women. And when I was taking clients, I got so many inquiries about pregnant women, but I couldn't take them. I couldn't take the classes. I already knew which asana, which techniques to teach them, but still it was kind of risk to me and the client as well. So I was feeling so guilty about myself that why cannot I teach them? I want to teach them one day. So I started inquiring about the same, and from my classmate on US India, I came to know that there is an academy, AYD, and she is the very best one. I can promise you that. So you can join. So I'm really looking forward to gain my knowledge about what exactly the postnatal is, what diet and nutrition should be given. Even my two sisters, they delivered their babies this year. They told me to teach them, like in 8 months, in 9 months, to teach them the technique, to teach them asana, but I couldn't teach them because I didn't have knowledge at all. So I'm really thankful and I'm really looking forward to teach from you. And so yeah, this is my short journey and short explanation.
Great, Vatsal. And I'm glad that you are the person who have not inquired more. People are still inquiring on WhatsApp. Keep on asking question, and not signing up also. In the end, eating my head, eating my assistant head. We have called so many 62 inquiries. Personally, my assistant has called and inquired, but result is zero. So I feel like this knowledge is only made for those who are really ready for receiving this, and lucky one. So I'm thankful to you also signing up immediately. you know One day you called and you just spoke to me, and then immediately you have done the thing. So thank you so much, and I thanks Anuya too for reference, because Anuya has referred you, right? He was.
Yeah, yeah, and that time I also decided that yeah, this is the time I have to do it. And I immediately just called you. I just made the payment, and I just enrolled myself in the course.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you. Now I think Sneha is ready, who has signed up first. She is a first student, and I was about to cancel. She knows very well. I told her, please come in my weekend batch because I didn't have any other student than you. So I'm just looking forward. If people sign up, then only we will continue. But then somehow, Sneha, you are lucky that we got, and I am also lucky, we got so many others. So over to you.
Hi, I'm Sneha Londhe Fatke, newly married yoga instructor and vocalist. So I joined this course to learn to know the knowledge regarding this Garbha Sanskar pregnancy for my self knowledge, for my, yeah. And after completing this course, I would love to share the knowledge with my students. And actually I'm from Mumbai, but after marriage I shifted to Pune.
Yeah. So
And
after marriage now, just ready to now receive the knowledge and
yeah,
just
I'm very
understand.
excited to know everything regarding all the process and all.
You are right candidate for this course. Okay, welcome Sneha. Thank you. Next, and how? Okay. You are not telling all of us Ayurveda and Sanskrit. Nobody has told me that. Have you been learnt Ayurveda or not? Yes, Poonamji.
I know a little bit because I did mudra in that, like Vata, Kapha, and Pitta.
पित्ता
That
हाँ
is
बस
all
उतना
I
हाँ
know.
बस
Yeah.
उतना भी पता है तो भी I can take forward. No problem. I hope that much is everybody might be knowing. But let's see, even if you don't know what is Vata Pitta Kapha, then also fine. I'm going to take that too. Okay. So next, Shruti.
Hello, ma'am. I'm from Surat, born and brought up in Surat, Gujarat. And by education, I'm a CA, chartered accountant. But I was always inclined more towards yoga. And so I'm a meditator, yoga instructor for a long time, especially with Art of Living. And I have decided to join this course because I wanted to increase my knowledge on yoga. And at the same time, I meet people looking for guidance during pregnancy. So I want to help them, my students. And yeah, I have a little understanding about Ayurveda, not much, I would say. And so I am waiting to learn, gain more knowledge from you, ma'am. That's it. Hello, ma'am.
Okay, can you tell us reference from where you get information?
From your student, ma'am, I received a Instagram message, and I from long back I had this in my mind, so I decided finally yesterday, let's do it and learn.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you. Welcome, Shruti. So who remains? Diksha, I guess. Diksha name is beautiful name. So you all are actually taking Diksha now. When we enter in somewhere, in education, we say that Diksha Arambha Sanskar. One Sanskar is there. Right? Yes, Diksha, over to you.
Hi, ma'am. My name is Diksha Yelve. I am from Mumbai. I have recently completed my master's in Yoga Shastra from KJ Somaya College, and I also I done my TTC from Asan Yoga, Goa. And I want to learn pranayama meditation asana during pregnancy because I don't know about this, and I know about Ayurveda a little bit because I मास्टर्स में एक चैप्टर था आयुर्वेदा में पर उतना ध्यान नहीं दिया पर आई वांट मुझे अभी सीखना है इसके बारे में
अच्छा, सोमया में जब आप थे तब आपने सुना है, मतलब मेरा लेक्चर होता था बट रिसेंटली
हाँ ये
पैंडेमिक था।
मैंने अटेंड किया आपका लेक्चर मास्टर्स फर्स्ट ईयर में फर्स्ट सेम में
एमए को सिखाती थी क्योंकि
हाँ
100 स्टूडेंट्स में मुझे याद नहीं मैं किसको सिखा
मैंने
रही हूँ क्योंकि
मैंने दो और आपका एनाटॉमी का भी अटेंड किया है कैवल्य धाम में सीसी वाई कोर्स में
हाँ हाँ
मैं भी
हाँ हाँ
अटेंड किया
क्योंकि आजकल क्या हो रहा है ना, स्टूडेंट्स इतने हैं मेरे कि मुझे उनके फेस नहीं याद रहता है। एंड सोमया में जब जाओ तो केवल धाम के फिर भी स्टूडेंट मुझे पता है क्योंकि वहां पे इतनी मतलब 50-100 की नहीं बैच होती थी, तो वहां पे मुझे 1 to 1 पता है। और आई वॉज वर्किंग विद केवल धाम, सो आई कम इन कॉन्टेक्ट इन सम हाउ इन अदर वे विद केवल धाम स्टूडेंट। सो केवल धाम स्टूडेंट लिटिल बिट आई कैन सी, but I don't know about KJ Somaya, but I have taught MABA student of KJ Somaya.
मैंने अटेंड किया आपके दोनों टाइम लेक्चर अटेंड किए कैवल्य धाम से मैं आपको पहचानती हूँ मतलब आपने एनाटॉमी हमको सिखाया उसके बाद केजे सोमया में भी आपके लेक्चर्स मैंने अटेंड किए आई
Okay.
गॉट योर रेफरेंस फ्रॉम अदिति दाई अदिति हाटे
Aditi,
देन
हाँ।
वो सब बैच में ही मैं ज्वाइन करने वाली थी पर कुछ रीजन की वजह से नहीं ज्वाइन कर पाई तो अभी ज्वाइन किया
हाँ, वो आपका जो वो वाला ग्रुप है ना, बहुत बड़ा ग्रुप है वो
हाँ
आसन योगा का,
आसन
दीपिका
योगा है
चलके एंड ऑल दैट। आदिति इज फ्रॉम दैट बैच ओनली, जहाँ पे
या
23-24 स्टूडेंट्स थे
हाँ हाँ
मेरे प्री नेटल में भी। सो ओके, सो गुड टू नो। सो
थैंक
तुम्हारा बहुत सारा तीनों जगह से कनेक्शन है मुझसे।
यू या
वेरी गुड, थैंक यू। ग्रेट, ग्रेट टू नो दीक्षा। Fine. So we'll move ahead with last student, but not least, Anuradha. Unmute karo, Anuradha.
Yeah, sorry. My name is Anuradha Kalwar, and I'm an MBA graduate. My age is 40. I was working with media companies before, like Times of India, India Today. But since I had my son to take care of, I left my job in 2009. And since then, I'm a homemaker. I'm also a yoga instructor. I completed my yoga instructor training course from Kevalya Dham because it was at that point of time when I had time in my hand and I thought that I would take it up professionally. And about Ayurvedic principles and Sanskrit, I was raised in an Arya Samaji family. So I am always used to do Havan at my place. So Sanskrit is not so much of a concern for me. But yes, I do not, if given any shloka, I would not be able to understand. It needs a certain reference from some, bhashyakar, then I would understand. And about Ayurveda, since I'm from a family who were traditionally had a natural bent towards nature cure and Ayurvedic principles, मुझे थोड़ा बहुत knowledge है. जैसे वात, पित्त, कफ, रस, गंध, ये सारी चीजों का मुझे थोड़ा बहुत नॉलेज है मैम के, जिससे तो मुझे सीखना है, इसलिए हम यहाँ पर हैं आज. And coming to prenatal and postnatal yoga, I thought that I wanted to know. ये quest था to understand, and I have always been a better person as a student. So I love being as a student. So this course is towards that, and I wish I can take it up professionally further, add it to my yoga course. Because apart from yoga, I'm also a certified sound healer from Academy of Sound Healing. So we use Tibetan bowls, which is a very relaxing and very meditative. So I think I can combine and give it a holistic therapy to my friends, family, or client. That's it. Thank you, ma'am. And yes, where did I get my reference from? Nutan ma'am is my teacher. I do not need any more reference from anywhere. So she's been a guiding force to, I was always looking up on her WhatsApp that these are the courses, but they are a little crunch. Either it's on the morning side or it's the evening side. So I was always on a dilemma. But today I told ma'am that whatever it is, I'll enroll up for the course and let's take it forwards. And she agreed upon that. So thanks to Nutan ma'am. Thanks a ton.
Thank you, Anuradha, for finally signing up in the end and breaking that dilemma.
Yeah.
So yeah, she is continuously in touch with me. She is student from from Keviladham. We
Yes,
have
ma'am.
met, and then later on she connected to me for personal health issue, and then we are doing even one case study, which will be incredible. Soon it will be published. So
Yeah.
yeah, there are a lot of things that we can do together. Actually, that is what somebody asked me while inquiring that you help student later or what. I don't remember the name, but acha Shruti. Huh. So the idea comes, goes, and keep on going on. Like Anuradha कब का मतलब हमारा connection टूट चुका था जब केवलाधाम में थी, लेकिन I don't know, from somehow she has contacted me through WhatsApp, and then she called for her different reason, but then we were together now, and she knows that how I am doing research and study on each and every minute problem. I also do consultation apart from teaching, because basically I am doctor. So
Yes.
now it's time for you. Although you have read my all the background and things on my website, but personally I would like to tell that I'm first doctor, and then fortunately or unfortunately, whatever the divine wish, that I became teacher as well now. Means apart from healing and doing all that ayurveda treatment, even I once upon a time, actually I used to practice even modern science, giving injections and all. I had my clinic also here. So 8 years almost I have worked in hospital, as well as I run my clinic, and number one doctor in Mumbai city, mainly Dharavi. Dharavi, the biggest slum area where all kinds of patient you will get it. Okay, so there, because my guru, due to whom you can say he has been, force for getting me, because in my family nobody was doctor and nobody is well educated as well. Okay, there is no background in my family that this much education someone has did. So nobody is there to guiding how to take admission to medical side, or how to proceed further, what required, which side required, science, commerce, or art. Even starting from that, we were having zero knowledge in family. So since I don't know what was the things in my mind or since childhood only, I wanted to become a doctor. I don't know why. So that was the things which are always we asked our small children कि क्या बनना है आपको बड़े होके, ये क्वेश्चन हम पूछते हैं ना हमेशा, what you want to become. तो कुछ ना कुछ बच्चे ऐसे आंसर करते हैं कि आज बोले डॉक्टर, कल इंजीनियर, परसों डांसर. मेरी नीसेस ऐसे आंसर देती है, ओके जब हम पूछते हैं तो. लेकिन मेरा आंसर जब मुझे तभी पूछा था, ऑल द टाइम वन आंसर ओनली, दैट डॉक्टर. पता नहीं क्यों, तभी तो डॉक्टर क्या होता है वो भी पता नहीं होगा बचपन में, बट आई वॉन्टेड टू बिकम अ डॉक्टर एंड दैट्स हाउ आई अंडरस्टूड दैट वॉट एवर वी स्पीक इट हैपन्स and all the obstacles just get disappear as you progress further. So start thinking first, then start speaking, and the action is by default it's going to happen. That is my personal experience. When I joined my journey, dots, all that हम बोलते हैं ना connecting dots, तब वो मुझे सब कुछ याद आता है कि कैसे मैं इस साइड पे आ गई. And then the cut to short, when I became doctor and then started my journey as a doctor. So I have seen everywhere pain, pain, pain. In hospital you enter, everybody is suffering, and somewhere that negative energy affected me personally. I faced one accident in my life at the age of 26, 27 year when I was very young. Now also I look young, but I am not young. So I crossed my 40 years, but 25 26 year जब स्नेहा के जैसे, आई कैन से स्नेहा की उम्र उतनी होगी, उस समय मेरा एक्सीडेंट हो गया जिसमें मेरा स्पाइन फ्रैक्चर हुआ. आई गॉट पैराप्लेजिया एंड आई वाज नॉट एबल टू वॉक. डॉक्टर ऑपरेटेड एंड ही सेड दैट दिस गर्ल मीन्स मेरे पेरेंट्स का तो पूरा मतलब बैकबोन ही चला गया, क्योंकि आई वॉज द एल्डेस्ट डॉटर एंड हु हैव बिकम डॉक्टर एंड inspiration for all my siblings, younger siblings, and now she is on bed. It was tremendous big trauma for my parents, and then it was trauma for my personally also, because I faced that things which I don't wish that any girl can face in her life. By on bed and you're not able to turn right, left, nothing. It's a tremendous, it brings depression to you. So I have been through that depression state, क्योंकि डॉक्टर ने बोला ये लड़की चलेगी नहीं, ये लड़की बैठेगी भी नहीं, ऐसे इतना सारा मोटिवेशन किया था हमको आफ्टर ऑपरेशन. सो आई थॉट देन ऊपर वाले ने मुझे जिंदा क्यों रखा है फिर, why God has given me this life. So I keep on searching answer while lying on bed. So some people came in my life, like just I was not knowing them at all earlier. So I said that this is my second birth. And in second birth, people came in my life like an angel. They were helping me to overcome those questions quest in my life, ki why somebody is live and why this life is there. So earlier Dr. Nutan, before accident, was really, that time also I was completely dedicated to my, work and my family and everything. I was very disciplined child because I have been fortunate enough to get that Gurukul system study, because my parents kept me in hostel. So I was away from my parents 5 6 years early ages. So that grooming happened very nicely. That was the foundation which has been missed nowadays. To सब पेरेंट्स इतने पैम्पर करते हैं अपने बच्चों को कि वही लाड प्यार से ज्यादा बिगड़ते हैं बच्चे. तो वो मेरे बारे में नहीं हुआ. सो आई फेल लाइक आई एम समथिंग वेयर द माई लाइफ एंड गॉड हैज गिवन मी सर्टन पर्पज, and that purpose I realized after this accident. The person I am today in front of all of you is, okay, one side all those commercial and thing, because okay, I have family, I need to survive, but other side my true purpose is to share this knowledge, whatever I have gone through, personal experience, study, and all the scriptures, because I have completely dedicated later on life on studying scriptures, studying my Ayurveda newly, means earlier I got certification as a doctor, but what exactly Ayurveda I experience, and I have transformed my life. The allopathic doctor has said that you can't walk. I told them I can walk. I can, now it's been 10-15 years, and I can even fly, and I can go anywhere without any things. So that was the things which I never put on my website or anything. So people who come and learn this course, I share with them this personal journey. But yeah, this is what I feel like Ayurveda and yoga can do miracle in your life. And then after that, the attitude change, when you change internal, that what we say the enlightenment state, वो enlightenment state मैंने शायद उस वक्त जब extreme level था मेरा depression का, where I used to continuously cry 24/7. I was not able to sleep. I was just on pills and my, taking that steroids, and my face already it is puffy, but it has become more puffy and look wise, and then walking, wobbling steps. It has made a broken my, broken me tremendously. But somehow I got my answer, and just my life just restarted, and it has reached at that state where now people wanted to become and be like me. So I feel like this can be inspiration for many people. So I just wanted to share those journey, and that's it. That is personal things. But thanks for listening. Now coming back to your course, let me just show you some how we are going ahead. We will take one break and then restart our lesson as well. Can you see slide? Okay. So that is the his story of little bit story. Okay, whole course you will get lot of other stories also in my lesson. So how you can learn effectively. So here what we are doing, first we will, you all as a student, you can keep whatever knowledge you have, you must be having regarding Garbha Sanskar or prenatal or yoga or whatever you have knowledge. When you enter in the class, try to keep all that things outside the class and come as a innocent student, new student. Okay, that is what the scripture says, that there are three methods how you can use to learn knowledge. First is listening carefully with fresh mind without pre-notion in mind. That is called Shravana. Up Sunna. Shravana is Sanskrit word. Okay. Second point, once you listen unconditionally, remember this unconditioned mind only gives you some new perspective. Maybe it is same. Now you have already studied. So maybe same knowledge you are listening, but listen the perspective. Then after that, second stage will come when you leave this class. You need to just sit for 10 minutes at your place, sit silence, recollect whatever the pointers been learned by you, and write down in your word. Okay, immediately within a 10 minutes, because our memory is very very short. Sometimes we remember and we just forget later on, क्योंकि मैं बाद में करूंगी, बाद में लिखूंगी, तो वो नहीं होता है. So better to just pointer भी रहेगा, बहुत ज़्यादा detail नहीं, just pointer what you have learnt in short there. I am as such giving you some exercise later on, where you can write briefly, okay, as an assignment. So that is contemplation, thinking about that topic consistently. Okay. Then third point, so that thinking will become so intense in your mind that you will look for the next class. When is next class? Maybe sometimes you will tend to ask me some question which may be I am going to explain in next lecture, but your mind will, wanted answer from it. That will tell me that it is intense desire has been created now in students' mind. Okay, and that nidhi dhyasanam is nothing but it is consistent and intense desire of student to explore more about the subject and then get that knowledge. Okay, and then definitely we will have Q&A session. Whatever question you have, we will discuss in the end of the class, and that is how we will do Swadhyaya. Swadhyaya means self study. See, although you have different purpose to join this course, but remember this is self study. अपने लाइफ का ही ये पूरा जर्नी हम करेंगे ये 20 दिनों में, you will realize how much you have been disconnected with yourself, and now through the course, by listening, you will again go back to your childhood, you will go back to your youthfulness, you will go back to your married life, and so many things are there. Okay. And assignment is one part where you need to write assignments on the theory uh, session which I take. 10 question, you only need to prepare 10 question and write answer of that 10 questions below that, and one question will be from my end, that what's new you have learned in this lesson. क्योंकि बहुत सारा ऐसा होगा कि आपको पता भी होगा पहले, जस्ट न्यूली यू हैव ब्रश्ड अप, बट कुछ ऐसी बातें होगी जो आप पहली बार आपके माइंड में क्लिक हुआ है, रियलाइजेशन आया है. सो दैट आई वांट टू राइट in your own words in that last question, that is what's new you have learned in this lesson. Okay. And you have to write down in the word file, most means that is what I prefer, and you email me that word file, 11 questions on the basis of theory lesson only. Okay. So it will be 10, mostly 10 theory lesson I have. So 10 plus 11, so 110 question answer you are writing throughout this. Okay. And it will itself become the notes for you, because when you write in your word, it is, believe me, it's a incredible things which you will take from me. Okay. Then lastly, this knowledge and wisdom, that is by default your end of this course you will realize. And we have one project presentation in the end. I will give one topic, and you can just present it and teach your colleagues and me here. So अरुंधति या अनुराधा?
Anuradha.
हाँ, हाँ, ठीक है. Okay. So I hope I'm audible and visible. There is no problem. Now, yeah, guideline is that only to keep your audio mute, camera on. Do not move much in front of the screen. Each class will begin and end with the Shanti part. Recording, study material, everything you are going to get it on study platform, where in the evening your email ID will be added on study platform, where and there everything will be uploaded. You just need to sign up. पासवर्ड आपको डालना पड़ेगा अपना, एंड वो पासवर्ड आपके नोटबुक पे रखना. ओके. एक नोटबुक एंड पेन पास में हमेशा रखना क्लास के टाइम. सो जिस और वही नोटबुक आप हमेशा रेफर करना. तो पासवर्ड भी उसी पे लिखना, तो यू विल नॉट फॉरगेट. कि कभी कभी ऐसा होता है ना, पासवर्ड कहाँ रखा है, लिखा है, वो भी याद नहीं आता अपने को. सो that's why I recommend that. Other study resource and video, everything will be provided sometimes on WhatsApp पे बहुत ज़्यादा हम स्टडी की ज़्यादा बात नहीं करेंगे, unless until and unless something very important, because I prefer email. Whatever question you have, you can email together, so that I can answer step by step, and it will remain in your inbox whenever you want to refer later on. Yeah. So yeah, for certification, all those self-study assignment project work are mandatory. This is my email ID, where you can share where once you finish your assignment. You can share every day, or you can take your time and once a week you can share all together. It is your choice. Group discussion, Q&A, e-certificate in the end, and how you can promote and become member of World Yoga Organization. That is end part, which is I will explain later. So that's it. So do you want one break and then we can start the lesson today? Or shall we continue without taking break?
We can continue.
Okay, fine. Thank you. So I'm just stopping this recording and restart again, because